Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we will talk about most important tool in Adobe Illustrator. I'm talking about selection tool. So let's start. There are four tools for selecting in Adobe Illustrator: selection tool, direct selection tool, group selection tool, and last tool. First one, direct selection tool, is used for selecting any shape or any text in Adobe Illustrator, like this. If I have an rectangle, I can select it with selection tool and move it any place like this. The second tool, direct selection tool, is used for selecting points in shape. I can select this point only like this and make a round shape like this, or I can select this point or any point in the shape. Also, if I have a path like this, I can use direct selection tool to move any point like this. The third tool today is group selection tool. This tool is used for selecting any shape from group without making ungroup. For example, I will make some shapes like this, and now select them. First I will change the color like this. Now I will select all shapes and make group. Now if I want to select any shape, I can't. All shapes will be selected. But if I wanted to select this shape only without making ungroup, choose group selection tool, and now I can select any one from them. The last tool today is lasso tool. This tool is used for selecting shapes by drawing. For example, I will make a star like this and also a small ellipse here like this. And if I want to select this shape only, I will choose lasso tool and draw like this to select this shape only. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.